Whispers in the night, melodies so bright, colors swirling round in this unknown sound. Lost in time and space, searching for a place where the echoes dwell in this magical spell. Rhythms intertwine like a cosmic design, a symphony of dreams flowing in the streams. In this mystic